Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to this four-part reflection series that we call Journey Through Advent. I am Father Joel Hason of the Archdiocese of Manila and of San Carlos Seminary. Ako ang inyong magiging kalakbay ngayong panahon ng Adbyento. Welcome to the second Sunday of Advent. Are you tired of waiting? Napapagod ka na ba sa paghihintay? Hello, my dear friends. On this second Sunday of Advent, our Gospel from Luke introduces to us the figure of John the Baptist. Si Juan Bautista ngayon ay makikita natin sa disyerto. Nangangaral at sumisigaw, ihanda ang daan sa pagdating ng Panginoon. Prepare the way of the Lord. But you know, in this second Sunday of Advent, we are continuously being told to wait, maghintay. Tayo ay matutong mag-abang sa pagdating ng Panginoon. Alam mo yung panahon natin ngayon, yung paghihintay isang bagay na mahirap gawin dahil ang lahat ng bagay ngayon ay mabilis. Pero bakit tayo nahihirapang maghintay? Because when we wait, we are not in control. And that is something that is frightening. Gusto natin tayo yung nauuna, gusto natin tayo yung nagko-control, gusto natin we are the one in charge. But the season of Advent is telling us, no, God will come at His own appointed time. In the letter of Paul to the Galatians, he said, when the appointed time has come, God sent forth His Son, born of a woman. God will come in His own time, in His own calendar. Kaya mahalaga yung aspeto ng paghihintay dahil the disposition of waiting is telling us, be humble, be patient, let God be God. So yun yung unang panawagan sa atin ni Juan Bautista. Kaya sinabi niya, patagin ang daan ng Panginoon. Patagin natin the mountains of our pride, so that when we become obedient to the will of God, it is then that we will experience the coming, the advent of God in our life. So yun yung unang pangaral ng ating ebanghelyo ngayon. Wait. Pangalawa, wait. Pero what do I mean by wait? It means to serve. Kapag kumakain tayo sa restaurant at meron tayong kailangang pagkain, sino ang ating tinatawag? Yung waiter. Kasi to wait means to serve. And so, when the season of Advent tells us to wait, it is also encouraging us to learn to serve. Sino ba yung hinihintay natin sa panahon ng Adbyento? Hindi ba si Jesus na rin nagsabi, I came not to be served, I came to serve. Ako ay dumating upang maglingkod, hindi para paglingkuran. And so in this season of Advent, we are waiting for someone, for the God who came in order to serve. And so what is the best way to prepare ourselves for the coming of the Lord? Matuto rin po tayong maglingkod. Siguro sa ating mga parokya, mayroong mga iba't ibang mga proyekto na pwede nating i-volunteer yung ating sarili. Siguro sa ating mga komunidad, no? We can volunteer our gifts, our talents, and our time. Put your gifts and your talent at the altar of God's service. Serve in whatever way that you can. Pangatlo, anong gagawin natin ngayong second Sunday of Advent? Wait. Pero anong ibig sabihin ng wait? W-E-I-G-H-T. Wait as in bigat, timbang. At pag sinabi kong wait, ang ibig kong sabihin dito is learn to evaluate, learn to discern. Timbangin natin kung ano yung mga bagay na ating pinahahalagahan. The second reading for today, the second Sunday of Advent, is the letter of Paul to the Philippians. At maganda yung sinabi ni Paul dito. Ang sabi niya dito, and this is my prayer, that you may learn to discern what is of true value, so that you may be pure and blameless for the coming of Christ. Anong sinasabi ni Paul? matuto daw nating timbangin kung ano ang mga tunay na bagay na mahalaga. Ngayong papalapit na ng papalapit ang Pasko, saan ka nai-excite? Ano yun talagang parang hinihintay ng puso mo? Pinahahalagahan mo ba yung mga bagay na tunay na importante? Yun ang gustong sabihin sa atin ni John the Baptist. Today's Gospel opened with John the Baptist in the desert. What is the desert? The desert is a place where the superficials are not there. The desert is a place where you can only find the bare necessities. Doon sa disyerto, walang mga ibang distraction. Wala kang ibang mga bagay na makikita doon. Kung ano lang talaga ang importante at iyong ikabubuhay, yun lang ang makikita mo sa disyerto. And I think that is the reason why the church gives us the image of John the Baptist in the desert, reminding us that on the second Sunday of Advent, suriin natin yung ating mga puso. I-purify natin yung ating mga puso. And let us learn to take away all the superficials and focus our attention on the things that truly matter. So, tatlong bagay: wait, wait, and wait. Maghintay, maglingkod, at magtimbang. Have a blessed second Sunday of Advent.